Once upon a time, in the cheerful town of Happyville, two best friends, Alex and John, were about to embark on the biggest adventure of their lives, their first day of school. Alex and John lived next door to each other. Excitement buzzed in the air as they got ready for their big day. In their snappy uniforms, Alex and John helped each other get ready, their faces beaming with anticipation. As the two friends strolled down the path, butterflies danced in their stomachs. What adventures awaited them? The school was a burst of colors and laughter. Mrs. Thompson, their new teacher, welcomed them warmly. The classroom was like a wonderland. Alex and John marveled at the bright posters and cozy reading corners. Soon, they made new friends. Smiles and giggles filled the air as friendships blossomed. The day was filled with exciting lessons and games. Learning became an adventure with every turn of the page. At lunchtime, they shared stories and giggles, creating memories that would last a lifetime. As the school day ended, Alex and John walked home, chatting about the incredible adventure they had just begun. And so, the sun set on Alex and John's first day of school, marking the beginning of a magical friendship and countless more adventures to come.